Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will compare the Kia Optima versus the Toyota Camry. These two popular midsize sedans are often cross-shopped, and for good reason. Both offer a blend of practicality, comfort, and style. We'll dive into their performance, interior features, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's explore what each vehicle brings to the table, highlighting their strengths and unique characteristics. When it comes to performance, both sedans offer a range of engine choices. The Toyota Camry typically starts with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, producing around 203 horsepower, and an available 3.5-liter V6 with 301 horsepower. It also offers a hybrid option with up to 232 horsepower. The Kia Optima often features a 2.4-liter four-cylinder with 185 horsepower, or a 1.6-liter turbo with 178 horsepower, and a 2.0-liter turbo with 245 horsepower. Both provide smooth driving experiences. Inside, both the Optima and Camry prioritize comfort and technology. The Kia Optima typically offers about 105 cubic feet of passenger volume and 15.9 cubic feet of trunk space. The Toyota Camry provides around 100 cubic feet of passenger volume and 15.1 cubic feet of trunk space. Both come standard with infotainment systems featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also find available features like leather upholstery, heated and ventilated front seats, and advanced safety suites in both models, enhancing your driving experience. Considering value, fuel economy, and warranty are key. The Toyota Camry's gas models can achieve up to 39 highway miles per gallon, with hybrid versions reaching up to 53 highway miles per gallon. The Kia Optima's gas models offer up to 37 highway miles per gallon. For peace of mind, Kia typically provides an impressive 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, alongside a 5-year or 60,000-mile basic warranty. Toyota offers a 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty and a 3-year or 36,000-mile basic warranty.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.